Gives anong contribution ng Google para sa safe internet when it comes to election topic?
Sure. So, of course, number one dyan is to really work closely with COMELEC, di ba? And so, for example, yesterday we had a workshop with the political parties and with the candidates to teach them on how to secure their internet accounts, their Google accounts, on how they can use YouTube effectively and also how they can report on YouTube pag meron sila man nakikita mga content na nagpa-violate sa community guidelines, di ba? But on the YouTube side, of course, specifically, we have to really number one, i-surface natin yung mga authoritative sources, di ba? So, na-mention ni Merv yung breaking news shelf, yung mga authoritative sources na pag meron kang gusto malaman, yun yung aangat, di ba? But pangalawa, of course, is to really remove or reduce yung mga sources na hindi mo dapat makita sa YouTube. So for example, these are content na nagva-violate ng community guidelines. So kunyari meron kang example lang, meron tayong election misinformation policy na pinagbabawal natin yung mga election misinformation. So kunyari sabi mo, bumoto tayo sa Mayo a 1. So yun, that's definitely against our misinformation policies kasi sa May 12 yung election, di ba? So things like that, di ba? So we have to be very vigilant na matanggal natin yung mga content na nagva-violate ng ating mga misinformation policies specifically on the elections.